In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view all tickets in Zendesk. If you've ever found yourself navigating through Zendesk, trying to get an overview of all your support tickets, you've come to the right place. Having easy access to all your tickets is essential for effective customer support. It allows you to efficiently manage your workload, prioritize urgent issues, and ensure that all customer queries are being addressed in a timely manner. Let's dive into how you can accomplish this in Zendesk. Firstly, start by logging into your Zendesk account. Once you're in, you'll be taken to the home screen of the agent interface. This is where the magic happens, and where you perform most of your ticket management tasks. From here, look towards the main navigation bar on the left-hand side of your screen. This is your command center. Next, locate the Views section on the navigation bar. This section is vitally important as it hosts a multitude of predefined queries that filter your tickets in various ways. The Views tab helps in categorizing and sorting tickets to show you only what you need, whether it's open tickets, pending responses, or tickets assigned to specific groups. Click on Views to proceed to the next step. Upon clicking Views, you will see a drop-down or a panel that lists all available views. As you scroll through this list, you'll see predefined views that Zendesk has set up to make it easier for you to tackle your tickets based on different criteria. One of these options will enable you to see all of the tickets in your Zendesk account. Depending on your custom setup or team's preferences, you might see options such as all open tickets, your assigned tickets, or pending tickets. Select the appropriate view that matches what you're trying to access. Understanding that the precise name can vary depending on how your organization has configured Zendesk. By selecting a view, you are essentially applying a filter that helps you to sift through the different categories of tickets. Upon selecting a view, you'll be presented with a list, often in a table format, that displays all tickets according to the criteria specified in that view. Here, you can see each ticket's essential information, such as the requester, subject, and current status. This setup is very convenient for keeping tabs on high-priority issues or for conducting a general review of your support effectiveness. And that's it. You now have full visibility over all your tickets in Zendesk. This enhanced overview will improve your ability to manage tickets effectively, streamline communication with customers, and ultimately improve your service delivery. By consistently using views in Zendesk, you can ensure nothing falls through the cracks, making for happier customers and a more efficient workflow. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope you found this guide helpful.